I got the June P.Louise Budget Box. So if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me. You may see him, and Chloe is studying for finals. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, just fun. We love doing fashion, beauty, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this month's P.Louise Budget Box, we got a box I think the insert was too big for the box this month. So they decided, I think, to send us the insert and the box, which it is a lovely box. And it does have this little strip here that you can pull off so that you can stick it. So if you were mailing out something, you'd have a very lovely box to put it in. Or even not mailing it out, like it'd be nice for a birthday gift. So inside the bag is this box, and it says timeless beauty, beauty that lingers beyond time. So always lovely packaging. Now for your sneak peek, everything nestled in to its little spot. We have I'm Spoken For Intense Color Payoff in High Shine Lip Lacquer in Locked in Love. So there's your packaging. And then it looks to be a pretty neutral. You see that there? Kind of has a peachy hue to it. And then we also have it in the shade The Only One. And this looks similar to the other shade, but just a little darker. And what I'm going to do is give it a little blend. And right there, I think that's a very wearable color with the two blended together. The first one was a little too light for my skin tone, but blended together, I think that would be lovely. And I think that would be a good match for most skin tones as well. Next, we have two Smitten sticks. And these are cream blush sticks in Hitched Hottie and Blissfully Blushed. And here is that Hitched Hottie. Ooh, that's lovely. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. So blended in, just a nice little touch of pink. And then Blissfully Blushed is also a light color. This is more of a peachy tone. Okay, so right there. So these are nice, very neutral shades. Then this is a new product. This is their Glaze Phase Signature Scent for dewy skin, lasting comfort, and radiance Milky Glaze Primer. Now I'm currently using the chocolate covered strawberry, and it just smells so amazing every time I spray it on my brush. So I was using the setting spray. This, okay. Ooh, that's very nice. I can't quite. It definitely has some vanilla. And it definitely gives you a dewy finish. So this would be more like a glass skin finish versus the velvet poreless finish. Now last is this big old guy, Endless Ever After. This is a palette for face. Oh my God. Look at how cute this is. It looks like a notebook. You have your mirror. But look at these shades. Oh my goodness. We are definitely going to have to find a reason to create a look with this. All right, I have to get right into this one right here, this pink shimmer blush. Endless Ever After. Wow. Look at that. I wouldn't call it a blush, or if it is, it's a like a blush highlighter blend. I would definitely put that more in highlighter, but it would also be a great kind of glitter finish. Here's that white one. Put that right there. All right, let's check out a couple of these. We're gonna go with this one down here, and then we'll go right across. How about that? So we're gonna do more mattes than I usually do. Buttery soft. Look at those. That is some payout right there. I'm going to say another very impressive collection from P.Louise. Now, this box, to get it to the US, does come in at a heftier price, around $55, and that includes the shipping and customs and all that. I won't say good stuff, because that's it stuff, right? Nobody likes that. But I will say it's definitely worth it. Like, this palette alone, probably good $36 to $40. So this palette alone, you're really getting some value in. All right, well, let me know your thoughts down below. What did you think of this collection? Was this a you collection? I know all my neutral girlies will say absolutely. Well, I don't know that you will, but I would think that you would, because these are definitely neutral forward shades. But I love how in the P.Louise universe, while she does a lot of neutrals, you will see a lot of these collections as neutrals. She knows how to throw in those pops of color to make you coming back, right? Because if it was all neutrals all the time and just kind of boring, you'd be like, well, I already have that palette, right? But Paige gets it. She throws together just the right blend with those shimmers and those colors, and just everything in here works really well together. So I love how these collections will sometimes just be a whole entire look. And that glaze phase, that is such a high gloss glass skin type primer. I'm so excited about that for the summertime. I do like the pore reducing ones, the velvety ones, but for the summer, they can feel very heavy on your skin, right? So for the summer, a glass skin look, love it. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Let me know in the comments down below, what was your favorite item? Was this worth it? Would this be worth it to you? Whether or not you're gonna get it, just, you know, for fun. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. They're totally free. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.